On President Biden's first full day in office, he issued an executive order to OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, which oversees workplace safety. That Biden Day 1 executive order told OSHA they needed to look at whether we need new rules to keep people safe from COVID while they're at work. Specifically, President Biden asked OSHA to study whether there should be a new rule that requires all Americans to wear masks while in the workplace. Any rule on that would be a rule that would apply everywhere to workplaces in every state, regardless of any state rules or lack thereof that might say otherwise. OSHA rules are enforceable. I mean, to be clear here, if OSHA says there's a need for a new safety rule about COVID, which requires masks in the workplace, OSHA has the power to enforce that rule at workplaces nationwide, even in places like Wyoming and Texas. Well, that executive order to study this issue and come up with a response had an explicit deadline. Biden gave OSHA until March 15th to make a decision. March 15th was Monday of this week. So where is it? A new report from Bloomberg Law says that OSHA has decided to issue a temporary emergency rule requiring masks, and that they have told the U.S. Chamber of Commerce that that new rule is coming. We reached out to the Department of Labor, which OSHA is a part of, to get their comment. They told us something, but not much. They told us OSHA has been working diligently, as appropriate, to consider what standards may be necessary and is taking the time to get this right. Which is something I'm going to start saying when I miss a deadline. I'm taking the time to get it right. But that deadline has passed. And it doesn't necessarily mean that nothing's going to happen. But at the same time, the clock is ticking here. States are, one by one, removing their mask mandates. People are having to work in unmasked, unprotected environments. That's all happening now in the present tense. And a big fight between the federal government saying, actually, masks are required in all workplaces, and red state governors saying, oh, no, they're not. That is potentially an epic and dramatic American political fight. But a move like that may also save a ton of American lives if the federal government actually decides to join that fight. So we were supposed to know if that was going to happen by Monday. Where are they? Watch this space. Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.